I have a question for you. How do you learn English fast and easily? Or let me ask, how can we make learning English faster and easier? As you know, we are learning English, so this is the most important question for us. If I ask this question to my 10-year-old daughter, she will tell you that she learns new words when she watches videos of her favorite cartoon characters, and then she practices these words and phrases with her friends at school the next day. That's how kids learn new things, isn't it? Playing and practicing. As adults, we tend to overcomplicate things. We think we need big words and high-level grammar to speak good English. Actually, this is one of the biggest mistakes that we make while learning English. So what is the solution? A recent study published in the Cambridge Journal of Education says that reading and listening are the two most important skills to improve your English fast. Researchers from the University of Michigan did an experiment. They took 48 students and divided them into 3 groups. The first group studied English for 3 hours a week. The second group studied 5 hours a week, and the third group studied 7 hours a week. At the end of the experiment, all groups had almost the same result. What does it mean? It means if you study more, it doesn't mean you will get better quickly. So, what's the best way to learn new words quickly? One of the best ways is to learn one story a day. But wait, don't freak out. Don't worry. I'm not telling you to read a big book every day. I'm talking about short stories. Just one short story a day can improve your English significantly in just 30 days. But how? Well, let's understand together. You are going to learn new words. You will remember these new words in context. You will practice speaking with the native speakers. And finally, you will be motivated to learn new words and speak English every day. Now, let's talk about the second part, which is very important, speaking. How can we make speaking more effective? You know, there is a popular saying in English, practice makes perfect. If you want to improve your speaking skills, you should practice speaking English with native speakers every day. But what if you don't have a friend to practice with? Don't worry. I have the solution for you. When you're learning a language, you don't always need a teacher or a textbook. There are many free resources available online that can help you learn a language quickly and effectively. One of the best ways to practice your English speaking skills is by talking to yourself. It may sound strange, but it is a great way to improve your fluency and confidence. When you talk to yourself, you are able to practice your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary without the fear of being judged by others. You can also use this time to practice different accents and learn new words and phrases. Talking to yourself is a great way to prepare for conversations with native speakers. It helps you to think in English and practice your conversational skills. So, whenever you have some free time, try talking to yourself in English. You will be surprised at how much it will help you improve your speaking skills. In addition to talking to yourself, you can also practice with other people. Find a language exchange partner or join an online conversation group. If you're feeling shy, you can start by practicing with family or friends. With a little practice, you'll be well on your way to improving your English speaking skills. The best way to learn English fast is to learn one story a day. Reading and listening are the two most important skills to speak English fluently. Now you understand that learning new words is easy. You only need to learn one new word every day. This is the best and easiest way to learn English.